everyone. Today I'm going to show you some science challenges. This challenge is about so you have to see which object can sink or float. Let's do it. The objects I'm going to use are lemons, a tomato, grapes, a stick, a spoon, a pencil, a cotton pad, and coin. I have a chart, and what you have to do is you have to tick which one floats and which one sinks.